Most of the times while investing in share market, we often confuse which stock to select and which not. We often rely on our friends, relatives and on TV channels for picking the stock. But hereafter you don't have to do so. You have to open your Zerodha app, and in Zerodha app I will let you know how to pick the good stocks, what financials you should see while picking up any stock. So let's start. Now let's say suppose I want to see the financials of HCL Technology. So what I will do, I will click here on HCL Technologies. In HCL Technologies I will go to fundamentals. One screen will pop up. At the top right corner you have to click on see detailed information, right? Once you click on detailed information, Zerodha will take you to another application ticker type. Here you have to click on financials, right? Once you click on financials, you have to scroll down and here you can see net income, right? In net income on year basis, you have to see what is happening. Now from 2012 I will show you what is how the company is performing. Now in 2012 net income of the company, it was what, how much? It was 2422 crores. In 2013 it jumped to 4040 crores. That means there has been growth of 66% on year basis. From in 2013 to 2014 there has been growth of 61%, right? From 2014 to 2015 there has been growth of 12%, right? These are the figures which I have already calculated. So as a homework you can just put these values in your calci and try to calculate in percentage year growth, right? From 2015 to 2016 there has been minus 30%, what I would say, decrease in net profit, right? So in 2016 company might be facing any issues, might not be performing well. That's why the net profit must have declined, right? But one or the other 2 years you can neglect, right? In 2017 again profits jumped from 5602 crores to 8606. So there has been growth of 56%, 53%, sorry. From 2017 to 2018 there has been growth of 1.33%. Just again the growth has stagnant from 2017 to 2018, but from 2018 to 2019 there has been growth of 16%, again 9.25%, again 0.79% from 20 to 21. This we can understand due to COVID-19 many businesses have been impacted. So in HCL Technologies also we are seeing this impact. So this is how you can see the financials of any company. Now one more example which I would like to show is of, let's say suppose we take example of DMart. You have to click here, go into fundamentals, you have to click here and you have to click on financials. Now see the financials of Avenue Supermarts, right? DMart के मॉल आपने देखे होंगे, राइट? तो वही ये एवेन्यू सुपरमार्ट कंपनी है. तो इसके फाइनेंशियल्स अगर हम देखने जाएंगे तो 12 में इसका जो प्रॉफिट था it was 60 crores. Then in 2013 it jumped to 93 crores. Can you imagine what is the growth of net profit on year basis? From 12 to 13 it is 55%. Not only this, from 2013 to 2014, in 2013 it was 93 and in 2014 it went to 161 crores, growth of 73%. Can you believe it? Yes, at this pace some of the businesses are growing. From 2014 to 2015 there has been growth of 31%. Again from 2015 to 16 there has been growth of 51%, right? From 2016 to 2017 there has been growth of 49%. From 17 to 18 there has been growth of 68%. Here profits are 806 crore, here profits are 478 crores. Growth of overall growth on year basis in net profit, it is how much? 68%, right? From 18 to 19, 12%. From 19 to 20, 44%. And from 20 to 21 there has been डिक्लाइन इन नेट प्रॉफिट -15%. कंपनी प्रॉफिट में तो है लेकिन कंपेयर टू 2020 प्रॉफिट क्या हुआ है? नेट प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस हुआ है, या 1301 करोड़ था तो या कितना है? 1099 करोड़. सो डीमार्ट हैज़ ऑल्सो इम्पैक्टेड ड्यू टू COVID-19. डायरेक्टली इट्स a reflection of COVID-19 in the balance sheet. You can observe that. So this is how you need to analyze the company, and then you have to invest. Financials of the company will let you know what is happening in the company. The way your scorecard shows what type of a candidate you are, in same way the financials of the company will let you know what type of a company you are investing in. So I hope this you will find it interesting, and hereafter you will not ask anyone before investing in any of the stock, right? You will directly go into the Zerodha app, you will go into financials, you will check the net income. If the company is growing at a space of 20-30% on year basis, you can invest there. You can safely land your money in quality companies. So stay tuned, we'll come with more information in the upcoming videos. By the time, take care, stay fit, bye bye.